Right, this is my first time in an R33 GTR.
I have to say, it is mine as well. I'm really surprised. I thought that this car would feel big, beefy and chunky, but the interior looks like a micro.
But who cares, because you know what, when you drive this car, you don't look down there. You look at the road.
Come on, Tim. Here's some beats.
Yes, the R33 was built for speed, not interior design. It was the ultimate icon of the PlayStation Gran Turismo generation and sealed its fame in the Hollywood blockbuster Fast and Furious. But has it stood the test of time?
Oh, it pulls. The gearbox is tight, the steering's tight. If you don't look down at the plastic fantastic, you are driving a brand new car.
In 1995, a Skyline might have cost an eye-watering £50,000, but for that you were getting a racing-inspired and mega-smart four-wheel drive system that can switch between fore and rear-wheel drive to provide unbelievable grip in all conditions.
That's 110.
Okay.
120. I mean, the track is wet, but you know what? It just holds so well. It is fantastic to drive, and I cannot believe we're driving a car which is 20 years old.
Under the bonnet, that straight-six 2.6 litre engine pumps out 280 brake horsepower, making the car beefy enough to remind anyone what real driving is all about.
I love cars! I love cars!
The R33 went out of production in 1999, but fear not, there is a replacement. It might no longer carry the Skyline tag, but the new Nissan GTR certainly inherited that Godzilla reputation.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
Go on, then.
Ow! 150. This is the most amazing experience of my life.
This is a production car that can achieve 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds and a top speed of 196 miles per hour. It's a car that's designed to impress.
It is just stunning perfection. I don't know how they've got so much power into it. Honestly, it is just so incredible.
Like its 20-year-old predecessor, the GTR is simply packed with technology, including torque-shuffling differentials to give it maximum traction. This is a fast-thinking car that's built to be pushed to the limits. And it's left the boys lost for words.